Welcome to brownie making.
You gotta wash your hands first, like all good chefs should.
All good chefs should wash first.
Period. Alright, that took 10 minutes of our time. Now we get the brownie mix. What we have to do is 3 tablespoons water.
Hey yo!
That's cállate. 3 tablespoons of water. These look like toys. Is this a tablespoon? I'd say so. One. Two. 3. A 1/3 cup vegetable oil. Is this a 1/3 of a cup? And we get the piss that you got from your group piss.
What is it for?
Nothing really. It has a lid. Do you want a lid?
No, I don't need a lid. I guess I'll take it.
And that's all you need for your brownies. And you just make. And there you go. Put that in the oven. And you need 1 egg. Get ready for some good cracking. That's what you call good cracking. Now you add the most important ingredient, poop. You add, this is powdered doo-doo. Came from your one and only.
You?
And we're just gonna snip the top and dump it in your favorite cereal bowl. Looking mighty fun if you ask me. Smells like chocolatey. We're going to horny it later.
Repeat what you said just now.
You mix up all of your ingredients.
Cut.
Don't worry, everything after this set will be thoroughly washed and cleaned and prepared for next use of other objects. Seems like these brownies are gonna be real dry. Thanks.
Ta-da!
This is now your solid doo-doo. Turns out these were teaspoons, but that is okay. We are smart and know our units of measures. 1,
Thanks.
2, 3, 4. That's cute. 5, 6.
Alright. Looks like my dookie.
You have pretty watery dookie. Good thing this is made out of my dookie. This looks really gross. Don't worry, it'll be a-okay in 1 second in the snap of my fingers. Doesn't it look fine? What's this? Oh, it's chocolate syrup. It's for afterwards. Do not throw away this. Heat the oven. What pan are we using?
BRB.
Where's that in?
Is this glass or metal?
Metal.
Wait. This is metal?
Is this good? Yay!
Get it. Go, 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 go.
What's that?
It's non-stick cooking spray.
I think. There's a bug in the bowl. Why is there 2 bugs in the bowl? Where'd it go? Ew, I killed a bug for the first time. Look at it.
Get it away from the bowl.
Where? I killed it. It's right here. It's on my finger. Who's bringing fleas in the house? Who is? Oh, the cameraman is the suspect. They're shaped like a 7.
The number of the day.
Watch this. Now we pour our delicacy in the delicacy. Reenactment.
About the incident.
No. Reenactment. My dookie going in the toilet bowl. Don't worry. It hurts my hand. I got some hidden ASMR. This is taking 10,000 years. Can I eat the whisk?
Santa's little helper. Santa.
Yo. Can I eat this now?
Yeah. Aren't you already eating?
No, that would be my fingers.
Here.
Ta-da!
Also have water bottles.
Thank you.
It's only one. Just have to one-hand jack this.
One hand open the oven, the other hand, but careful.
Okay, I'm going to pre that.
Yeah, I only have one oven mitt, so actually it's a great present idea.
Okay, good.
Oven mitt.
And
That's it. Now we set a timer for 35 minutes.
set clock.
You can do on your phone.
Set clock.
Stick a toothpick in it first.
Okay.
Stick the toothpick in it, careful. Does any come off on it?
Yeah.
Go.
Okay, look. I got superb on the one. I had to burp, but I didn't burp. Anyway.
Take 2.
Looking pretty fresh, if you ask me.
All right. Place it on the stove top. Why are you touching my brownie? Hold it tight.
Oh, it's burning through me. All right. That was not my fault. Did we stop?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, I should like burn through it. Feel that whiplash. Whiplash. I'm gonna use scissors. I forgot to put it back. I should have wrote something. You hear that? It's cooking. You have to shake it.